Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Hybrix.io. This is an open source platform where you can create your own application. You can build your own tools using their JavaScript libraries. You can run your nodes. Okay, you can create your nodes and run your nodes over here. So this is a really good platform if you are into crypto and you want to build anything, or you want to create a node for your platform or coins. Okay, then they have their own softwares which is built on their own JavaScript API, and they have their own nodes which are running right now, and they have their own wallet which is really good. I will show you how to create the wallet. And the native coin HY is also listed on the exchange also, which is Biki, and the link of this I will give in the description. Okay, and it is listed around 1 to 2 days ago. Okay, and the price is really good, around $4 is the price of the coin. Okay, right now, as if we can see over here, as you can see this the price value is $4, 4.5 in USDT. Okay, so this is a really good platform where you can learn something and you can create your own version of a node or anything tool you want to create. Okay, so this is best. They have around they are currently supporting 32 blockchains and 398 tokens. And if you want to see on which blockchain you want to create your own tool, okay, so you can go over here in supported assets, view all supported assets, and you can choose your own blockchain and you can create your own tools on that blockchain. Okay, so this is a really good platform where you get all this blockchain in only one platform, Hybrix platform. Okay, so if you can go over here and if you click on Hybrix playground, you will get your own codes. Okay, so you can create from this also. Okay, so this is how it's work. This is a tryout sample. Okay, so the tools you created over here are fully decentralized. This platform fully decentralized, so there is no problem that anything will be gone out, okay, without your permission. Okay, so this is a fully decentralized platform. And back to blockchain ideal. Okay, they are focusing on blockchain based ideals. Okay, they are not to seek some make a profit without an open source code base. They are using an open source code base. Okay, so they do not get any profit from this open source code base. Okay, so you create your own tools or anything nodes. Okay, so you get your own credibility on it. They will not charge anything for it. Okay, so this is a really good platform where you can see that almost 30 plus blockchains are available on this, where you can select and run your own tokens, nodes, and you can create your own tools on this single platform. Okay, so this is a really good platform. So talking about a roadmap. Okay, so they run HY token campaign which they are running right now. Okay, they have improved their Hybrix wallet and they have published their white papers also. They have list their high token which I told you. Okay, if you want to buy HY token from BK exchange, okay, so you can come here and buy. The price is really down right now, around 4.5 is the price over here, but I think it maybe goes till $7 to $8 easily if this platform works like this. And they will get the continuous they will work according to the roadmap. The price will be really good in the near future. Okay, so then they will upgrade and back end, they will upgrade the backend from here. Okay, they will add new codes, they will add new tools in future. Okay, then they will complex assets. Okay, handle high configurable assets. Okay, they will add more assets, and I think they will design this platform in a really good manner that if more than enough people can use the tools and of them, so they can run smoothly on that. Then their designs will be also changed in near future, and then the Genesis will be launched and you can build your own economy over here. Okay, and then the protocol version 01 will be launched. Okay, so these are the assistant supporters of household names which they are working with. This is a really good brand. Lisk is also a really good brand. Okay, Nailnet Foundation is also a good brand. Okay, so they are working with the good brands right now. Okay, Computable is also a good brand. Okay, so now we will see how you can create the wallet. Okay, so you have to come over here. The link of this will be given in the description. Okay, so you have to come over here, select the wallet tab, and then go to view only, click on view only, and then it will open this page. Okay, so you have to just come over here and create your new account. So click on create a new account. Okay, so after you click on create a new account, then this will appear. Okay, so you have to just scroll your mouse in this white spot, okay, over here anywhere, so it will reach till 100% and you will get your wallet. Okay, so I am doing right now and I am showing you how to create this. Okay, so now it is reached till 100 and this is what you will get. Okay, you will get your account ID and your password. Okay, so you have to just copy this ID and password and save it in a folder or send it to your mail. Okay, so you have to just save this account ID and password, so this will help in future to receive your coins in HY tokens. BTC, Ethereum and many more are supported in this. Okay, so if you want to create an API, you have to just click on API and start using the API, and they will give you an API ahead. And then if you are willing to JavaScript library, so you can download it from web over here. Okay, they all have given the codes over here and you can install the npm and read the documentation. Okay, then if you are having a node, okay, so you can run over here. Okay, they have like a software where you can run the node. Okay, so if you want to update, if you want to get more update about Hybrix, okay, so you just want to give your email address and subscribe to your newsletter so that you will get every information, latest updates about Hybrix. And you want to follow, if you want to follow their GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Discord. Okay, so many platforms are given over here so that you can update it about this platform. Okay, so this was it for the video. If you like the video, hit like and share and comments down below how you like, if you will use this platform to create or not. Okay, so that's it for today. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.